Greetings, WordPressers. Jakson here. Welcome to the channel. Nice to have you, as always. So, most WordPress sites have at least a few plugins. Some WordPress sites, well, they might have quite a few plugins. Some WordPress sites may have an absolute shed load of plugins. And it's your job as the site owner, maybe the web guy in the office, the small agency, whatever, it's your job to keep those plugins updated, because the number one rule in any WordPress security checklist, number one is keep your plugins updated, and core and themes. And I've always believed, the less plugins, the better. But let's face it, unless that's like a really simple brochure blog site or something, which still might have a few utility plugins like backup or spam protection, that kind of thing. But if you're talking about a more complex site, a shop, a community, courses, or just a bigger site, you could be looking at a couple of dozen or more plugins that you've got to maintain. And if they're proper professional software, i.e. quality plugins, these plugins are going to get updated, like weekly, because these guys are on the case, improving, fine-tuning, and all the rest of it. And doing those updates manually is a chore. It's time out of your day, it's stressful, and it can be scary when you're staring at a page of 30 plugins and 15 or 20 of them need updating. So how about we remove the work, we remove the stress, we remove the possibility of the white screen of death, and we can do all that in about 30 seconds. We're talking about automated plugin updates. And this is where the automation detects if anything has gone wrong and then reverts back to the backup it took just before it started running the update process. So if anything goes wrong, it doesn't matter. You won't even know. But this kind of system doesn't only check for critical errors and things like that. It checks the front end too. It checks layouts for layout shifts, missing components, buttons that moved halfway up the page, or missing sections or whatever. So even if the plugin updates with no critical error, this very clever process called VRT, and that stands for Visual Regression Testing, VRT, it's witchcraft by the way, checks that those updates haven't messed your site up with no involvement from your good self while you're snoozing. It's doing its business, other than you'll get a nice little email saying your site's been updated when you wake up in the morning. So today we're going to look at a way to kiss goodbye all your worries, stress, time and fear of plugin updates and the potential nightmare that could be. Right, let's get into it. Okay then, shall we have a look at what we are up against? Look at this big fat site. We've got courses, we've got post types, we've got gallery plugins, we've got automation, elemental, forums and community, we've got big themes and advanced custom fields. I mean, look at this. I mean, that's what you're up against, folks. That is what you're up against. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go select all and update. Good luck with that, and good luck with the rest of your day. But we're going to dispense with all of that and do it in a much lovely, stress-free way. But before we dive in, let's just recap on what I was talking about earlier on, which is this visual regression testing, VRT. Very clever stuff. Imagine it's a bit like a high-tech game of spot the difference. So what happens is the VRT takes a snapshot of your site before any updates, and then after the updates, it takes another snapshot and compares the two, pixel by pixel. If an update breaks your CSS, shrinks a header, moves a button, removes a section, or something horrible happens, it knows about it, tells the safe update process, and you revert back to a backup, the backup that was taken by the general safe updates process. You get an email letting you know about which plugin was the culprit, and you haven't had the rest of your day ruined. Pretty decent stuff, wouldn't you say? So what options have we got for this type of thing in WordPress? Well, believe it or not, way back in July 2024, WordPress 6.6 arrived, and it did indeed have rollbacks for plugin auto updates. And it does work, because when you look at your site, you'll see that enable auto updates, which I don't know if you're like me, I just don't like that. It's just, I mean, it is good, don't get me wrong, and it does work, but only if it's a critical error. You know, fair play to WordPress 6.6 for putting it in, but if it's a critical error, will it roll back? It doesn't do the VRT thing where it checks the validity of the actual front end. It's good, but it's not that good. Now, there are other kind of WordPress SaaS-ish type products. Well, they are SaaS to the greater extent, but they come with a plugin. You install it on your site and it does this exact kind of thing, obviously for a price. And they're really good. They are really genuinely excellent. And there's a few of them out there that do a great job. But it's another platform that you've got to set up. It's definitely not a 30-second setup. And of course, then there is most of the major proper professional managed WordPress hosting platforms out there have a version of this, which is actually my preferred choice because I like to keep everything under one roof, especially if we're doing stuff on the server, which is why that is my weapon of choice. And of course, my weapon of choice for hosting, no surprise, again, is of course, in the most part, Cloudways. And they have the absolute easiest way to set this up. And I'm going to show you now. And I can't lie, it's not going to be a very long demo because it literally does take about 30 seconds. I haven't timed it, but you know what I mean. Let's jump into Cloudways. It's on here. So here's Cloudways. So what I've got here is just one of my servers and I've selected a site. It's my main site. And down the bottom here, you will see an option for safe updates. Now I've got to tell you, this has been around for quite a while and it's genius, you know, on demand, schedule updates, the VRT stuff, end-to-end testing, handles pretty much all of it. It's absolutely brilliant. It's £3 a month, £2 if you've got more apps using it. But just a few weeks ago, middle of Feb, I believe it was, something new came out on this platform called Site Manager. And Site Manager is a free thing. And I'm going to do a full tutorial on this because it's quite new and I've started using it quite a lot with the free version, which has some great features. So it's like a sort of control panel for all your sites. You can see them all there. Anyway, I'm going to do an in-depth on this. But it also, for the pro version, so for the paid version, and it's the same if you use one of the SaaS platforms, by the way, it's roughly the same sort of prices. But with this new Site Manager from Cloudways, you get this Site Manager sort of basic, and then for the same price as the old Safe Updates plugin, you get the Safe Updates as well, and then all sorts of different extra features, and it's exactly the same price. So it's a bit of a no-brainer to, well, okay, let's go Site Manager rather than Safe Updates because we just get more free stuff. So let's go get it. Let's get Pro. Just takes a moment to spin it up, doing its thing. And there you go. We are done. Here is our Site Manager overview. And you can see that it's given you, you know, I've got 9 active of 12 plugins, 1 active of 2. Not that you can have 2 themes active. Users and WordPress version, just a general overview. There's the plugins and the themes, all the rest of it. And I will do a full review of this because it's pretty funky. Let's go to auto updates. This is what we're interested in. And it is as simple as going, schedule, turn it on, take a view on when your site, I mean, to be fair, this new Site Manager version of Safe Updates apparently is a ton faster than the old version of the standalone Safe Updates. But obviously choose a time where you get the least amount of traffic. You can manage what gets done when those updates are run. So you can exclude plugins if you absolutely do not want to touch a particular plugin. Very useful. You can turn on critical updates. We can save our changes. And that is kind of it. You can take the rest of the day off. Get down the pub. Your work here is done. And that's visual regression vibe. We can add specific pages that we want it to double check. Maybe your more complex pages. That's pretty cool. We can actually set notifications to send pre-success and aborted. That's what we need to do. So I want all of those. In fact, I don't want pre. I want success and aborted. And obviously you can choose who you want them to go to. So if you don't want them to go to you as the site owner and send them to your web dude or someone else, that's cool as well. But yeah, effectively that's it. We're done. Save my preferences, and that's all there is to it. You don't have to spend time, energy, effort and stress worrying about plugin updates ever again. Oh, and by the way, of course, if you run maintenance plans for your clients, then of course whatever resource you put, dev time you put into doing updates is essentially free money. And for $2 a month, like, I don't know what your hourly rate is, but I'm telling you now, for $2 a month, you're making a bundle of cash with safe updates. Link is in the description to go check out Cloudways' version of safe updates. Very clever stuff. And talking of hosting, if you want to know what is the best value pro cloud hosting on the planet, that's your video right there. But until next time, I shall see you later.